So this is my demo for the Impressionist Painter project. I'm in the main screen of the app. So first up, I'm just going to demonstrate the different brush types. So first up, I have circle splatter. I can just draw on here the image that's a super abstract version of the image on my right. So I have a little butterfly here, the nice flower, really dark green background. And if I click individually, you can see it's just a random cluster of points. And another feature that I implemented just for fun, I guess, is a toggle color button. So what it does is when I press this, instead of just painting the picture that's on the left-hand side of the screen, it's going to paint the complementary color of what's there. So just kind of to give you a different version, I guess. So ironically enough, the complement of purple is green, and vice versa of green is purple. So because I have a really dark green background, I'm getting this really nice light purple, pale pink purple, and then the original purple in the middle of the flower turns green. I thought that was kind of cool. And the orange is going to turn to a nice blue. I actually really like this shade of blue. So just kind of interesting that the whole image gets kind of changed and warped. So, all right, so I'm going to clear. Clear only clears the right-hand side. Gives me a nice dialog box to make sure I know what I'm doing. I'm going to load something new. Let's do the yellow. I like yellow. Different brush. I'm going to do square. So square is different because its size is set dynamically. So if I go slowly here, I'm just going to get kind of small. Oh, I'm still on. Oops. I'm going to get kind of small, some gray in the background. But if I move quickly, I get nice big blocks. So with this, I can kind of create something super abstract. Again, dynamically set based on how fast my cursor is moving around. Yeah, and another feature is that I'm going to show you the third brush now, is that the brushes can overlap without any changes. So I'm on the circle brush now, which is very basic. No dynamic properties, no nothing, but it just can overlap on the same image with no problems. So I could use that to maybe do, I don't know, some detailing, fill in some blanks. And I can save. So I'm going to save this image, get a little message telling me it's saved, and when I load, go to here, I can see that it's been saved down there, along with some other tests of mine. So yeah, save, toggle. Oh, and my last feature that I implemented was a camera feature. So with this, the user can take a picture of themselves to be the subject of the next impressionist painting, I guess. So I'm gonna hit camera. Takes a sec, and then take a picture of myself. I don't know why it's upside down. I haven't been able to get that to work. I think it's just an emulator thing. So that's that's how I look. But just works the same as all the other ones. I can pick a brush and paint. It's really dark where I am, so I wonder what the... Oh, cool. Really pretty blue. So, yeah. And when I go back to the load page, back to my gallery, I can see that that photo has been saved there as well, in case I wanted to ever revisit it. So, yeah, it's my app. It's good stuff.